Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to the show, and today we will have an unleashing again, but it's not a ganta again, and it's part of the Beyblade X, but it's not a marathon again. Yep, it's not a marathon because I just bought this because I think my Beyblade right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think I have 5, but the other one is a little bit it's a group, it's a deck set. I think it's a deck set or a, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, we will have that next time. Okay, so right here we have this one right here, and yeah, a box, and whoa, as I know, this is one of the like a meta on Beyblade X on this time, because yeah, whoa, what is this kind of tape? It's very thick. Okay, but yeah, let's go. With the use of my Rusty but still trusted hobby knife, let's go. Let's unleash this one. And again, rusty but just for the use of opening boxes. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here and we unleash one of the newest Beyblade and market. As I know, this is one of the strongest right now, which can even, I think it can par with your Wizard Rod. Yeah, I don't know if it is, but let's try, because I will have a battle for this one. So this is your UX14 Scorpio Spear 070Z. Yeah, 070Z. What is Z? I don't know what is Z. Here we go again. I really forgot to research what is the beats, because the beats and they all only have letters for their codes, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, let's go. So Scorpio Spear, as I know, the Scorpio Spear has a 2 modes, but you cannot alter the modes without battle, because on the first part it should be with those red right there. You can see that. So there is that red, but when it fights or it moves a little bit of its ratchet, maybe, yeah, the red part is also moving out. So when it is on this red, it is like on the defense type, or like a stamina also. And here, when the red is getting inside on the metal part, that will be an attack type already. Okay, so very nice kind of gimmick. And then that is the owner. I don't know what's the name of that person, but yeah, we'll wait for the anime, because it's the next episodes and season is not available yet in Netflix, but already available on YouTube. You can see the Beyblade X on YouTube, but in English version. Yeah. Then its ratchet is 070. 0 is first introduced on the Ghost Circle, but I don't have yet that Ghost Circle. I want to have that next time, because yeah, it's very hard to get, because it's on the random booster. And if you want to buy the open and the confirmed booster of the Ghost Circle, very much higher in price. Yeah. And then its beat is Z. Again, I forgot what is Z. So if you know what is Z, please comment down there so that I will know what is Z. I forgot to research it again. But yeah, that's it. That's our Scorpio Spear. A spear, but 0 in ratchet. 70, a little bit higher, but not so high, like 80. And then a bit of Z. And this Z is like, I think it's like an elevate. It's also like a point. Yeah. And it has, oh, I forgot. It has a launcher and a ripper, or a ripper cord, which is like with the samurai sabers. It's a little bit longer than the other, or the normal or the first releases of our ripcords. Yeah, so let's see, let's try, let's have it next time, because we will have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle for this B with X next time. Okay? So if you like this kind of videos and contents, guys, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button to inform for our next videos. Okay? So for now, thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, and good night. Yeah, I forgot my spiel. Okay. And good night. Jake the Pass signing off, and Gumbaber Show signing off, and that's it. Thank you, and peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Let's go.